Empowering MiCAR compliance. Your guidebook via Commercio.Network. Welcome to Commercio.Network. The labyrinth of blockchain technology adoption has been demystified, courtesy of Commercio.Network's robust documentation aimed at fostering a MiCAR-compliant ecosystem for issuing utility tokens. As businesses are gravitating towards a blockchain-based architecture, the quintessence of a well-laid documentation to navigate through the MiCAR, market and crypto asset regulation, compliance landscape is indispensable. Commercio.Network hands you the compass by providing a thorough documentation, encapsulating the A to Z of creating a MiCAR-compliant solution. This is more than just a documentation, it's your blueprint, your roadmap towards maneuvering the legal and technical intricacies entailed in issuing MiCAR-compliant utility tokens. The documentation is crafted meticulously to cater to both blockchain novices and veterans. With a coherent narrative, step-by-step tutorials, and snippets of code, it ensures your journey from conception to realization of a blockchain project is smooth and compliant with MiCAR mandates. Not just a technical guide, the documentation is imbued with insights on compliance, showcasing how Commercio.Network aligns with the regulatory requisites, thereby instilling a sense of legal security as you venture into the blockchain domain. Moreover, the extended arm of support from Commercio.Network doesn't end at documentation. Their suite of support services stands as a testimony to their commitment towards facilitating a seamless transition for businesses into the blockchain sphere, all within the MiCAR legal framework. Embark on your blockchain voyage with a reliable compass. Delve into Commercio.Network's documentation and be the herald of a MiCAR-compliant digital transformation in your enterprise.